Hello, my name is Christian Alfer, and today we're going to merge one or more subfolders containing CSV files into top-level CSV file. The merge is done by file name and creates a top-level CSV for each file that's found. For this app, you'll need a set of subfolders under which the CSV files are stored. We're going to use one of our previously generated canopy cover outputs. After logging into the CyVerse discovery environment, select the app tile to open the app window. Search for Merge CSV File. You may want to favorite this app to make it easier to find. To do this, click on the vertical ellipses on the upper right of the app tile and select Add to Favorites. Click on the title of the app to open the window where we can enter our parameter. Note the output folder location. This is where the output from our analyses will be placed. Now, select the folder selection bar. Browse and select the folder where your CSV files are. Click Launch Analysis to launch the app. To view our analyses, select the Analysis tile. You may need to click Refresh to see your analyses. As our analysis status changes, we will receive notifications of those changes. The notifications can be found on the upper right of the page. When our status is completed, the analysis is done. Our status now shows completed. Click the Data tile and browse to the folder that you noted earlier where your output will be found. The output folder is named after your analysis. In the Merge CSV folder, you will find your merged CSV files.